guys, it's Annika. Welcome to my Annika. So today I'm going to be doing a kind of like 2-in-1 video just because I've gotten a lot of new products that I want to try. I'm going to be doing a try on for the March Boxycharm, and then I'm also going to be doing a little like first impressions of some of the new Colourpop stuff that I got. I got a white eyeliner, a setting spray, I got this I Love Saray Colourpop palette. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then I got a lighter shade of the No Filter concealer because the one that I have doesn't really work for me and it's almost out. So I'm going to be doing like a 2-in-1 first impressions, but first we're going to start with what we got in the Boxycharm because we did get actually a face item. So this is a Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I fucking love peel off masks. I'm so excited to do this. So I have nothing on my face right now. I'm kind of excited. I'm probably gonna have to like go off camera and wait for it to dry, but I am willing to do that. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like pearly. Cute. I love that for her. I don't even know where to put it. Big nut hours. It smells really good. I should probably put my hair back too, but now it's all over my hands. I'm just gonna put it in my nose area because it's supposed to reduce pores. Fuck! Not on my willows! And now it's all over my fingers, bruh. I don't even know what to do right now, bruh. But, oh my god. So Haley Morales, my bestie, is doing a besties tour. She's going to so many different cities all over the country. She's going to 14 different places, but 2 of them I'm going to. I'm going to her Dallas one on June 20th and then her New York one, which is on August 3rd. August something. I don't know. Maybe that's wrong. I'll put the dates right here and I'll link where you can get the tickets. They're on sale now. I'm so excited for my bae. But I'm gonna let this dry and I'll come back to peel it off for y'all. I don't know if it's dry, but I'm really tired of waiting. Is this better lighting or worse? We'll try it for a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to peel this off all in one piece, but I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna happen. It's definitely not gonna happen. It already didn't happen. Let me read about this. Okay, so this retails for $34. It instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Wow. That's cool. If only they could do that for dull personalities. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay, and that minimizes the appearance of enlarged pores. Oh, I forgot how much like little shit face masks leave behind, like the edges. Bruh. Like me rubbing my hands all over my face kind of defeats the purpose. So I'm just gonna moisturize really fast with my Dermalogica moisturizer. And then I'm gonna put on my Colourpop concealer. I got it in a lighter shade because the one that I had before is in the shade 10, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I got 15. Oh. And the shade I got this time was 6. So kind of a leap. Yeah, this might be really light. But we'll just do a little bit underneath the eyes and then on the eyes to prime. Or maybe we can just use this to prime the eyes for now and we'll see how light it is. Yeah, it's pretty light, but I think it'll be good for brightening. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with that, and then I'm gonna crack into the Through My Eyes palette. Where's the palette? Am I blind? Hello? 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 Found it. Alright, so this palette is so appealing to me. I do wish that there were a few more green shades, but I think that this is a palette that's relatively unique. Like, this color scheme isn't seen all the time, but I just don't really know where to start. Okay, I'm gonna start with the shade Nostalgia, which is in the bottom left corner. I don't know the difference between left and right, and I don't want to talk about it. I have an idea, but I don't know if it's gonna work out. And I'm just gonna tuck that right into the crease. Don't blow it out too much. It's coming out much. I also really love the packaging. I love green, like emerald greens and olive greens. I'm not a huge fan of like apple green and like lime green, but the darker greens are so attractive. So then once you have that in there, then you're gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna take the shade Wild Soul and I'm gonna blend out the top. Oh, yes.
What's her name?
I think she's getting her hair done. When my dad calls my mom, what's her name? I'm gonna go back into Nostalgia and just touch that up again. And then, ready for the fun part. Oh my god, this palette is so exciting. I'm gonna take the shade Moody, which is the teal. And I'm gonna take that on another defined brush. All of my brushes are so dirty right now. And I'm gonna put that underneath Nostalgia in the outer and inner corners and then connecting it. Oh my god, that blended so fast. I think I'm just used to using the James palette, honestly. And James Charles admittedly said himself that his palette takes a little extra work to blend. I'm gonna go back into Nostalgia just to make sure that's nice and clean. And then in the center of my lid, I'm gonna use the shade Emerald Dream, which to be honest is one of the main reasons I bought the palette. This shade is so beautiful. I want to eat it. And one swipe covered my entire eyelid. So then once that's down, I'm gonna go back in with Moody and I'm just gonna make sure that you can see that color and it doesn't just like blend away. I don't know. So we did get an eye product in the Boxycharm and it's this like gold eye liquid eyeshadow. And it's really pretty. I don't know where to put it though. Should I put it in my inner corner? I don't know. I'm gonna conceal and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. I'll be right back, beautiful people. I look fucking crazy right now. But the next things that we got in our Boxycharms. Actually, this is a Cover FX palette that retails for $45 at Old Tub. Like, I saw it on the website. It's just a face palette. It has a blush, 2 highlighters, a brightener, a finishing powder, and a contour. And then we also got these Moda powder and soft glow brushes. The contour does not look dark enough for me to contour with, so I'm gonna use it as a bronzer. And I'm gonna use this brush. I don't know what I would use this brush for, really. This is gonna end up bad, I feel like. Oh no, it's fine. Wow. I need this on my forehead really bad. That Colourpop concealer is just so light. I tried to use Shape Tape on like the outer parts of my face, but I still look so pale. She really needs this. I'm gonna take the soft glow brush and apply a little bit of blush first, and then I'm gonna go in with highlight. So I'm gonna take this blush shade, which is kind of cute. I love really, really long bristled tapered brushes for blush. I feel like they just apply it really like fluffily. I also need to contour my nose. So really quick, we're just gonna do a really simple lower lash line. I think I'm just gonna do, I don't know, we'll see. And try to connect it up there if you can. Wild Soul. I have Crazy by Kalani stuck in my head. I go crazy. Crazy. I go crazy. I'm not doing well. And then right before we try out the setting spray, we're gonna try out the highlighter in this palette. I'm gonna mix the highlighter shade and the brightener shade, and brushes like this that are really fluffy instead of really densely tapered give you a soft glow, which I think is why I prefer them for blush rather than highlight, because you can't really pack as much on there. It's definitely like a look. It distributes it very angelically. Fuck a brush for the nose, just go straight in. Now we're gonna try out this All-Star setting spray by not cover anything, it's Colourpop. That is a powerful mist. A lot comes out. I don't know what that smells like. I kind of enjoy it. What is that smell? That smells so good. The last product in our Boxycharm is this awe-ster-luh-nd long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade. I think it smells like rose. I don't know, maybe not. The last product in our Boxycharm is this awe-ster-luh-nd long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade. It doesn't say. Maybe it'll say. This is in the shade. It doesn't say what shade it's in. Oh, I'm so stupid! It says it right under long-lasting liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Monaco. I think this will look fine because it'll like bring out the pink in the eye look. My lips are crusty, but I'm gonna take this right off after I'm done filming this video, so. Oh, it's a metallic. Yeah, it's a metallic liquid lipstick. This is a look, especially with the hoops. I don't know, I feel like super tropical right now. This is my final Boxycharm and Colourpop look. It was really fun trying out all these products. So Boxycharm was pretty good this month. I'm really happy with the products that we got in it, and I'm really happy with the purchases that I made from Colourpop. I always get kind of scared when buying a new palette just because I have so many palettes already. There's just such a high chance that I'm gonna get something that I already have. So I'm really like selective when it comes to palettes, but I'm happy with this one because I don't think I have anything with this particular color scheme. And I'm really excited to keep playing around with this, so let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial with this because there are so many different looks I feel that you can do with this. I'm really drawn to this shade, and this looks so reflective. I'm excited. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, suck my dick, and keep on Boxycharming. Gang shit.
Tell me that I'm an idiot, you know that you'll be lying. What?